All right, y'all. I made a pretty unsuccessful attempt to get rid of some of the glare on my glasses for y'all, so you're just gonna have to deal with it. Que lo que, y'all? What's good? Estamos activo, bienvenido. We are now una comunidad de más de 9,400, clawing our way up to 10,000. So huge shout out to all y'all that have already subscribed. And if you haven't yet, come on with it. Whether it's a holiday, a party, a wedding, lo que sea, there's always a bunch of opportunities to do a cheers. And if you're anything like me, you don't just wait until special occasions to have a drink with family and friends. Salud por eso. Also, the drinks in this video are all real, in case you're wondering. So salud por eso también. So come have a drink with me in this lesson because I'm teaching you 5 ways to say cheers in Spanish. Salud. Related to this one, you know how we say cheers to that? You can do that in Spanish by saying salud por eso, which is what I said in the intro to this video. Salud por eso. Chin chin. I love this one. This is the sound that the glasses make when they clink. Isn't that cute? Here's a good one specifically for shots. Arriba, abajo, al centro, pa dentro. This one is a ton of fun to do with big groups. So if you're ever doing shots with a bunch of people that speak Spanish, or if you feel like you can teach that to a bunch of people, try it out because it is super memorable. In a more formal cheers where you want to toast to someone or something, you'll use the verb brindar for to toast. If you're the one doing the toast, you'll conjugate the verb brindar to brindo and add por whatever the toast is for. Brindo por esta hermosa ocasión. Brindo por tu cumpleaños. If you need help conjugating present tense verbs, then check out this lesson on conjugations. And lastly, related to the verb brindar is the noun version of that, which is un brindis. You can use un brindis to say things like, quiero hacer un brindis. Haz un brindis. Un brindis por tu nuevo trabajo. Give this video a like, subscribe, use these in your real life, and stay tuned for the next lesson. Gracias por estar aquí. Hasta la próxima. Whew, y'all didn't see how much I was actually drinking.